Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is V. I upload videos on sewing tutorials, education, lifestyle and fashion style. Okay, welcome to my channel. If you're an old subscriber, you're welcome. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share my video. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to cut this beautiful dress. It's a short dress with a short sleeve. Very simple to cut. I'm going to be showing you how to cut it. Okay, so I have here on my table my measurement book, my chalk, my tape, my armhole curve and my ruler. Okay, let's look at the measurements of my client. My client measurement is shoulder 16 inches, armhole 20 inches, bust 40, waist 38, hip 46. The length of the gown is 44 inches, the sleeve length is 10 inches, and the sleeve round is 12 inches. Okay, so this is 3 yards of African print fabric. I folded it into 4, leaving 1 inch for zip allowance. Okay, so this is 1 inch for my zipper allowance. I want to cut everything at the same time. That is why it is folded into 4. So I just folded the 3 yards into 4 equal parts, leaving 1 inch for zip allowance. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. The shoulder measurement is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches. I hope you can see it. So when you want to take the shoulder measurement, you start from, this is the front panel, and this one that has the zip allowance is the back panel. So anything you want to do, you have to start it from the front panel. So this is the front panel. Okay, so the shoulder measurement is 16 inches, divided by 2 is 8 inches. From the shoulder to her bust is 11 inches. From shoulder to her waist is 17 inches. From shoulder to her hip is 26 inches. The length of the gown is 44 inches. This is 44 inches. Okay, then I will use the other one for hemming allowance. So I'll make straight lines. Okay, so this is her bust, her waist line, her hip line, and the length of the dress. This is the length of the dress. Okay. Okay. Her armhole measurement is 20 inches, divided by 2 is 10. So this is her armhole measurement. 20 divided by 2 is 10, so this is 10 inches. So this is her armhole, her bust point, her waist point, her hip length, and the length of the dress. Okay, so we'll take the shoulder measurement to the armhole. So divided by 2, our shoulder measurement is 16, divided by 2 is 8 inches. 8 inches. You make a straight line. All right, her bust circumference is 40 inches, divided by 4 is 10 inches. Then I added 2 inches allowance. Her waist circumference is 38 inches, divided by 4 is 9.5. I added 2 inches allowance, that is 11.5. Her hip circumference is 46 inches. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5. Then I added 2 inches allowance, so this is 13.5. Okay, then the length of the gown is 44 inches, remember, so this is the length. So we have 13.5 here, and we add some allowance to make the gown a bit free at the hem. So this is 13.5. I added 6. So see, this is 16, so I added some allowance. Simple as that. So you connect from the hem of the dress to the hip, okay, to the waist, to the bust. As simple as that. Then from the bust, on the armhole, you go up by 1 inch. Then divide the armhole into 2 equal parts. This is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Remember, this is the armhole. 5, go up by 1 inch. Then you connect. On that 5, come in by half an inch. I've done this many times on my channel. That's how to take. Or if you have armhole curve, you can use it. It's the same thing, but I prefer using freehand because of the beginners, in case you don't have armhole curve. Okay, so this is it. This is the armhole. Okay, bust point, waist, hip, and the length of the dress. All right. Okay, for our neck width, for the front and the back, they must be the same. They must have the same neck width. We're taking 3.5 inches. The neck depth for the back, 2 inches. You connect. Okay, so just connect. The neck depth for the front, we're taking 6 inches. It's a round neck. You connect using the free hand. Okay, neck width is 3.5. Neck depth for the back, 2 inches. Neck depth for the front is 6 inches. All right. Okay, so our shoulder slope 1 inch, and you connect it to the neck width. It's as simple as that. Okay, so because of the beginners, let me go through it again. This is her shoulder measurement. 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches, so this is 8 inches. Okay, her armhole is also 18 inches divided by 2 is 9 inches, so this is her armhole. Her bust point is 11 inches, her waist point 17, and her hip is 25. Okay, so this is quarter of her bust measurement divided by 2 plus 2 inches allowance, quarter of her waist measurement plus 2 inches allowance, quarter of her hip measurement plus 2 inches allowance. Then I added 3 inches to her hip measurement for ease, and this is the length of the dress. Okay, so you connect it straight lines, as simple as that. Right, so this is the neckline for the back, 2 inches, and the neck depth for the front, 7 inches. Okay, so you cut the neck depth for the back first. So cut, this is the neck depth for the back. Okay, then this is our shoulder slope. Our shoulder slope, armhole, okay, bust to waist, bust to hip, then the length of the gown. As simple as that. Okay, so I've cut both the front and the back together. Cut for the front and the back together. Okay, so now this is, remember, this is the back neckline, so remove the front from the back, separate them, then cut the back neckline. Please don't cut them together. Always cut the front neckline separately and the back neckline separately. Okay, so this is the back neckline. You can come down again if you think that it's too. So this is the front part. This is the neckline, armhole, bust, waist, hip, and the length of the dress. So this is the front panel, and this is the back panel. And this is the back panel. Okay, so let me set them for you. This is the back panel, and this is the front panel. So let's go to the sleeve. I have a tutorial on how to cut a sleeve on my channel. You can go and check it out. So it's still folded into 4, so we'll be cutting both the front and the back sleeve together. So let's look at the length of the sleeve. The length of my client's sleeve is 10 inches plus 2 inches allowance. So we'll have 12 inches. Okay, but you have to consider the armhole before you cut. Her armhole is 20 inches. That means this place must be up to 20 inches. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So this is 10. Okay, all right, good. So you come down by 4 inches, then you come, give it a slight S. Okay, I've done this a million times, but if you think it's too small, you can still go up. Make a straight line. It's for a 3/4 sleeve. You go up, make a straight line, come down by the same 4 or 3 inches, and make an inverted S. Okay, make an inverted S. Then make sure that that inverted S has the armhole plus 1 inch allowance. It's as simple as A, B, C. Then the sleeve round is 12 inches. Okay, divided by 2 is 6 plus 1 inch allowance. That is 7. So you connect the lines, as simple as that. Then you cut. So I'll make use of the first, this one I just made. Okay, cut. Always fold in your hemming allowance before you cut. It gives you fine finish. Sorry. Okay, so this is the sleeve, then you notch the middle. This is the 2 sleeves. We have sleeve 1 and sleeve 2. Very simple. If you want your own to be shorter than this, you can make that shorter. So this is sleeve 1 and sleeve 2. Okay, so these are the sleeves for the gown. The 2 sleeves. The 2 sleeves. Okay, this is the back panel. This is the back panel, front panel, front panel. The back panel is wider than the front panel with 1 inch for zipper allowance. Then the 2 sleeves. as simple as that. So this is how to cut a simple dress with a 3/4 sleeve. If you have watched my video to the end, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I've come to the end of today's tutorial. See you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.